Sir, how much monthly amortization at the age of 32 years old? Okay, 100% pasok pa po tayo kay Pag-ibig ng 30 years to pay at kung kay Bangko naman po, 25 years to pay. At ang monthly mo, nag-range lang siya ng 18,000 to 24,000 pesos per month. And good news, kami pang bahala mag-process ng loan mo, Ma'am Kim. Okay? 10,000 lang reservation pag Pag-ibig, 25,000 reservation kapag bank financing. Kami pang bahala mag-process, no hidden charges, ready for occupancy na. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo nang malipatan to. 30 to 90 days approval, once approved ka na, pwede ka na kagad makalipat. It's up to you kung papaupahan mo to, Ma'am Kim, or titirhan mo. Ang advantage ng project na to compare sa iba, number 1, affordable, number 2, accessible, number 3, malaki yung community park dito, yung amenity park natin na umaabot sa 1.3 hectares. Merong mall, merong children's playground, outdoor gym, clubhouse, jogging paths, basketball court at volleyball court. So kung interested kayo, Ma'am Kim, just follow me and message me at paki-heart po yung video na to. Maraming salamat and God bless.